In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, there lived a curious little girl named Luna. Luna had a special gift. She loved to paint. Her small house was filled with vibrant paintings of all the magical places she imagined. One sunny morning, while exploring the attic, Luna discovered an old, dusty paintbrush hidden in a wooden chest. As she held it in her hand, it began to shimmer with a golden glow. Intrigued, Luna took the brush to her favorite spot by the river and started to paint. To her amazement, whatever she painted with the brush came to life. She painted a butterfly, and it fluttered off the canvas into the sky. She painted a rainbow, and it arched beautifully across the horizon. Luna was thrilled and couldn't wait to share her discovery with her best friends, Max and Lee. Max, a brave and adventurous boy, and Lily, a kind-hearted girl with a love for animals, were just as amazed as Luna. They decided to embark on an adventure using the magical paintbrush. Together, they painted a grand ship and set sail on an imaginary ocean to discover new lands. Their journey led them to a mysterious island, where they encountered talking animals, mischievous fairies, and a wise old turtle named Tiberius. Tiberius told them about a hidden treasure that could only be found by solving a series of riddles and puzzles. Excited by the challenge, Luna, Max, and Lily set off on a quest across the island. They used the magical paintbrush to overcome obstacles, painting a bridge to cross a deep ravine, creating a map to navigate a dense jungle, and sketching a ladder to climb a tall mountain. Tiberius appeared and explained that the book was special. Whatever they wrote or drew in it with the magic paintbrush would come true. The friends realized that the real treasure was their imagination and the endless adventures they could create together. With hearts full of joy and wonder, Luna, Max, and Lily returned to their village. They spent their days filling the book with stories and drawings, bringing happiness and magic to everyone around them. And so, the adventures of Luna and the magic paintbrush continued, proving that with creativity and friendship, anything is possible.